Take a ride in the 2019 Edge. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 115,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, inside you'll find Bluetooth, smart device integration, trip computer, tinted glass, universal garage door opener, cargo net, power tilting steering wheel, compass, thrills with more power and MPG. Either way, you're in for an exhilarating experience with Ford Edge. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.